Alright everyone, so today I'm just going to be unboxing this little device. I'm trying out some affordable devices just to see how good they are. So this one was only $24 at Walmart, but it seems really cool. It connects to your phone and it gives you all different health data. It connects to the health app and it also gives you notifications, so for your social media and stuff, so it's like a mini smartwatch. So we're gonna get into it. Looks like a very simple, cheap packaging, which is what I'd expect from a $24 smart band. So I'm gonna get into this now. I gotta move a little bit. Hope the tripod doesn't fall. Alright, we got it. Okay, it's supposed to be this way. Hold on a minute. Oh, it's not. Okay. I'm not smart, okay? Alright. See, it's cheap packaging, but that's not what matters. What matters is this. You can see it here. These are the little notches or options or whatever. Oh, we got some plastic. Oh, this is cool. So this is the shiny screen, you can see. I like the texture. Look at the texture. It's like a rubbery type feeling. Interesting. So, that's the smart band. I'm going to try it on and see what it does now. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you. This is what it looks like on the wrist. You can see. There we go. Not anything much better than you'd expect, but just showing you if you want to see what it looks like on the wrist.